Right, I'm just showing from a different direction how I'm able to use these cups to get the measurements that I need. Let me show one of the cups that I have already mixed. Please do not pay attention to the fantastic fantastic stick, but yeah, it runs, so it runs. This is kind of still thick, but it makes a little lump, so you have it like that. Like makes a little lump. I don't know if you can see. Let me try the yellow. And it's kind of hard to see with that neon red. Alright, so if you go near to the sea, it runs back in. It stops on the top, then it runs back in. Stops on the top, it runs back in. So that's how you want, well, that's how my consistency is. You can have different consistency, and I'll post that on my Instagram, but that's how the consistency is for my paints. So I do 2-part paint, 1-part water. So I'm using the cup rims, so it's down the bottom. I'm gonna go again. And the reason why I'm using the red today is because I did a poll where I asked, let me show you, hold on. So I did a poll, and then it's at the second rim. I did a poll where I asked what's the best primary color, and I got red. And then it's at the third rim. I wanted to show, so I have paint down here, paint here, and then the water is here. And then we're gonna mix. This is not ready, as it is extremely watery, but it takes patience. So let me get back to you. It's almost thickening up. It's a trial and error for me at this point. So it runs and then it goes back in. Let me try to take up, Alright, so that's a little bit too thick, so keep on mixing. I'm not adding any more water because I realize I keep wasting my paint, and we don't want to do that. It is a little bit thicker than the others. It seems some colors are thicker than some, but I'm not adding any more. Oh, okay. Alright, let's give it to me. I wish I could show it like this, but I'm gonna come as close to the camera as possible. So I take up some. See that? It just runs, makes a little mountain, then it runs in. So I hope this video was informative. Now I'm gonna go to the actual pouring. But also let me talk about secret ingredients for today. So the color for today is blue. We know we're gonna have part 1 and 2. So how pretty is this blue? It's blue. And I'm gonna use dish soap to see if I can get cells for the first time. I've never used even, what's it called, silicone. I've never used silicone in my artwork. It's the first time. So I'm gonna use some dish soap. Hope you guys are excited.